Hi everyone, how are you? My name is Cindy and today I am so happy to be here with our Bedsure brand because I want to do this unboxing for our new Bedsure Hybrid Foam Mattress Topper. For this product, guys, let me explain you a little bit. If you already have a mattress in your own house but maybe it's too soft, when you lie down on the mattress maybe you will sink into it. This is because you don't have any kind of support and will cause a lot of pains on your body. Also, if your mattress is too firm, when you lie down, there also will be some gaps between you and your mattress, and this also will cause a lot of stiffness. So, also if your mattress is too soft or is too firm, there is no need to buy a new one. Actually, you can also buy a mattress top like this one, and of course this will be more cheaper and at the same time more convenient. Guys, now I want to do the unboxing over here with you to show you how the product looks like. This is the way that you will receive the product. Actually, we can deliver the product to your door. When you open the box, you will see how the product looks like, guys. The unboxing is really simple. So, when you take up the mattress topper, let me show you here how this little friend comes. Look at this. This is vacuum, guys, so what you need to do is take a scissors, open it, and then leave it for 24 hours to get to the original shape. So when you're opening your mattress topper, guys, be careful to don't cut the mattress, of course, and remember that you need to leave it for a few hours, at least 24 hours, to return to their own shape. As you can see over here, right now the air is coming through to the mattress and will take their natural shape. Now we just leave the mattress pad here, guys, and wait 24 hours to the mattress get to the original shape. Now the 24 hours passed and now our mattress topper is ready to use. As you can see over here, guys, the material is really soft. Actually, the cover is made with bamboo. That means that the material is really readable, is fresh, and something that I really like about it is that it comes with a zipper all around. So it's easy to take it off, wash it in a washing machine, and keep it clean all the time. Now maybe you are asking like why we call hybrid to this style. Well, it's because this mattress topper is made with different foam layers. So I want to actually cut it and open it to show you the inner part. So as you can see, this is the way that our mattress topper looks like from the inner part. We have 3 different layers and actually 3 different zones. All of them have a different and will give you a different feeling. For example, on the top we have the memory foam. Actually, these adjust really well the shape of your body and will give you a soft rest. If you love your soft bed, this is the perfect side for you. But maybe you are looking for something a little bit more firm. Well, in that case, this kind of foam also will give you a strong support during the whole night. Now you can see over here that in the middle layer we actually have 3 different zones. And the most important part, guys, is the one that we have over here just in the middle of the mattress topper, because this one is the most firm one. This will offer you a really good support in your spine and your waist when you are sleeping. Actually, I want to try it over here for you, and I actually want to say it how I am feeling over here when I lie down on the mattress pad. And actually can feel that this is soft. Also, the down part is even more soft than the one that we have over here on the middle. So this actually acts like a mirror of the edge shape of your body. So this will actually give you a better support even if you like to sleep like in one side of the bed. This will also offer you a better support all the night and you will avoid a lot of pain. Now you are seeing that we have 2 different colors over here on these 2 zones. Well, that is because those 2 are made of different materials. The gray one that we have over here is made of bamboo charcoal that actually can purify the air. And the green one actually is green-tea-infused foam. So this actually can give you a really good feeling and a smell when you are sleeping. Another thing that I really like it is that actually the charcoal, the bamboo charcoal, is soft than and the green one. So, for example, if you really like to sleep in a good side and rest your head on a soft side, you can use it from this one, but even you can turn it off and use it on the way that you prefer the most. So, if you are a really picky person and you normally doesn't find the perfect mattress for you, well, maybe it's time to find our hybrid foam mattress topper, because on this one we have different layers, different levels of firm and softness, and maybe, and not maybe, I am really sure you will find the perfect one for you. So if you really like and enjoy this unboxing, you can find our products on Amazon like Bedsure Hybrid Foam Mattress Topper. Thank you so much for your time, guys, and remember that you can follow us also in our Bedsure store.